Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you another eye tutorial using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. And I was mainly inspired by the new Brazilian techniques that I've been seeing around. So let's get started. The first color that I am applying is Crash. I would describe this as a very taupey shade, a very light, beautiful, cool tone blending color. So I am concentrating it on the outer part of the eye up to the crease into like a winged effect. So I am bringing it out instead of leaving it rounded out. I just feel like this flatters my eyes a lot better. Remember, the key to getting a good blend is adding little by little, never going in with too much color. So now we are going to move on to the next shade, which is Libra, which I'm a Libra. I love this color. It's a very pretty light lavender, lilac type of color, and I am applying it to the upper crease of the eye. So I would say the first upper third of the eye, and I'm mainly concentrating it there. Now going back with a large blending brush, I am blending it out. Now next to that lavender, I'm applying Haze, which is that beautiful, I don't know, kind of pastel-y turquoise type of color. It's not a light blue, but it's not a full-on teal or turquoise. And yeah, we applied that. Now I am applying the shade in Off Balance. And that shade is going on the outer part of the lid and crease, so mainly the outer V of the eye. I'm not taking it as high as the other shade, although I am using it to blend in with the other color. The main concentration will be there on the bottom. So now I am taking the shade in Hot Mess, which is a richer, deeper, I would say burgundy-like shade. And it is a beautiful shade. I love this color. And I am using it to just deepen up that outer corner of the eye. It's just going to look a lot nicer and a lot sexier, I guess you could say. And yeah, we are just applying it, blending the edges up at the top because we like to blend, as you know, on this channel. And yeah, so we keep blending because that is the most important thing. So now I am taking the shade Cosmic, and I am mainly applying it with my finger because the warmth of my finger is going to melt the product in. And these colors are a bit harder to work with, these shimmer shades. When used with a brush, they don't give the same intensity or color payoff. So now we are adding the beautiful shade Supermoon to the inner corner of the eye, and it's just going to look gorgeous. Now we're going to add the shade in Ultraviolet, which is a shimmery like purple, whereas Cosmic was a pink, and we're adding that. Then next to that, we are adding the shade Nebula. To be honest, this one was one of my favorite shades. It just applied beautifully, and the shimmers in it are amazing. Now I am applying the shades I applied to the outer V to the bottom lash line. And of course connecting it to the top because we want everything to look seamless. Now let's take the color Vortex and apply it mainly to the very outermost part of the outer crease and bring it down into the lash line. And that is going to give me that depth that I wanted, and I just felt like I couldn't get. I'm applying the shade Nebula on the center of the bottom lash line. So now I'm taking just a wisp blush and applying it. Now these Tarte highlighters and this lip liner by KKW Nude 1.5 and my lipstick in Blankety and this lip gloss in Oyster Girl. And yeah, pretty much this is what completes the whole makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.